And today I will show you Home Manager. So Home Manager is a tool that describe that, in Smartsheet on the left panel, you've got access to your workspaces, folders, and sheets. But if you've got large number of folder, workspace, or sheets, it can be tedious to manipulate because you can only see one level at a time. Or maybe you don't want to see everything from the beginning. We have built a tool named Smarter Home Manager, which is something that replicates that kind of structure, but instead of having that into the left panel, it directly stores the result into a sheet. Let me show you. So we have to authenticate on Smartsheet using the usual credentials. Then we go to Home Manager. On this case, we are inspecting the folder name backup. We can select a folder, a workspace, or even your home. Then we will store the results into a sheet named SHM demo. We'll include information such as sheets, report, dashboards. Then we can map some column information. So right there, if we map the name of a sheet into the name column, the ID of the item into the ID column, and so on and so on. On top of that, on that section, we can also inspect for Smartsheet sheet limits, such as we can store the row count on every sheet. So you will have a place where you can create notification and workflow when you reach a certain number of cells or column count or cell counts. Right now on Smartsheet, there is a limit of 5,000 rows on sheets, 500 columns, and as for cell links, it's about 20,000, if I remember correctly. Those limits can change every day, but still, what we can do is create notifications, workflow, reports, alerts when you reach a certain number. So instead of knowing too late, you can proactively react and be alerted if you reach some limits. On that example, we are just doing that on the backup folder and store that. So if we look at the result, it will look like this. We've got, this. That's my SHM demo. There's my backups. And as you can see, there's many backups. And we can see the name of the folder, the number of sheets. That's just a simple formula. The ID, if you would like to manipulate things by ID. The links to the item for a sheet when it was created, modified, if it's in your favorite list, what's your access level to the items, the depth within that folder, the kind of item, and if we have configured the sheet limit, it will also feed the row count, column count, cell count, and cell links. So that's it for the Home Manager. Oh, one more thing. The configuration is stored into the admin sheet right there. So you can edit the configuration directly through Smartsheet. And the tool is running automatically every day. So you don't have to run it. It will every day refresh all the data and feed with the correct new file structure that you have access to. So that's it for today.